What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a quick guess what's in the box video on this giant box from Acme Tools. As you can see, it is from Acme Tools. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so today is April 8th. It's a Friday, 2022. Got this package in the mail from Acme Tools. We're going to do a guess what's in the box video on it. I'll turn the package this way so you guys can see. It does say Acme Tools. Let me bring some light onto the situation. There you go, some more light. Alright, so we're going to measure the outside of the box and I'm going to give you guys some clues, some ideas. Alright, so this box is 17 3/8 inch wide. It is 21 inches deep, or long, I'm sorry. So 17 3/8 inches wide, 21 inches long, and the measurement of the height, it is 9.5 inches tall. On that side, it's reading 9 3/4. Interesting. 9.5. 9 3/4. That's strange. Might be because the box is tweaked up. Like that. Let's try that. 9 3/4. Well, 9 3/4. So every these sides, this reading is 9 3/4 of an inch. Let's see. Nine and a half. Yeah, that's interesting. The long sides are reading 9.5. All right, so want you guys to guess what's in this box. These videos are kind of fun for me, but I also think some of you guys think they're fun too. Got this from Acme Tools. It was sent to me for me to do videos on for you guys. It is 40 volt system. It is a bluish color. Some may even say teal. But what tools are in the box from that brand? Hopefully I gave you guys enough hints for the brand and the version of the brand. But what do you think is in here? Is there a circular saw in here? Is there a recip saw? Is there a hammer drill impact driver? Hammer drill impact driver kit? Is there several tools in here? Is there, you know, like a recip, a miter saw, or not a miter saw, but a recip, and an impact driver, and a hammer drill, and a circular saw? What do you guys think is in this box? Hopefully all the hints are helpful. I am trying to make the videos, these videos, I'm trying to be a lot more informative on them. In the next video, we'll rip it open, check out what's in the box. I just received it today. You guys may also know what this is based off the fact that I've posted on social media. I've posted pictures of the receipt. I've posted live streams about this as well, so maybe those hints will help you out as well. About the relationship with me and Acme Tools. I do appreciate everybody stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And if you guys pay close attention on the video, the tags, as well as the hashtags that I put in the description and everything, might also give you a clue as to what's in this box as well. Appreciate everybody stopping by as always. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!